boy, superstar DJs. Here we go! Hey girls, B-boy, superstar DJs. Here we go! Hey girls, B-boy, superstar DJs. Here we go! Hey girls, B-boy, superstar DJs. Here we go!
Hey guys, you're listening to Horizon Bass Arena with me, Scott Tyler, on the first day of the Horizon Festival. It's already a beautiful Colorado morning here with a forecast for high energy, scattered rhythms, and plenty of thundering engines. Hey, the word here is that the reigning champ, Darius Flint, will be arriving at Horizon today. So, if you're on the roads just now, then stay out of his way, kids. He does not play well with others. This is Horizon. Keep it here.
400 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn right. Turn right.
I was right, people. Darius Flint really is approaching Horizon right now. And word is, he's already racing. Typical Darius. But hey, it doesn't matter who you are or what you're driving, okay? Bring your ride and bring your friends and just get down here now, okay? It's day one of the greatest festival on earth, and we are gonna have some fun this year, yes! And wait, before more music, we have got a very special guest here with a big announcement. It's CEO of Horizon, Alice Hart. Alice, how you doing?
Hey, Scott. How are you?
I'm great, I'm great. What have you got for us, Alice?
Well, this is shaping up to be Horizon's biggest year yet. The Horizon Championship starts tomorrow morning, and I have places in the heats up for grabs to the next 10 cars who arrive at the Horizon entrance.
Oh, damn, girl, that is too cool. Hey, yo, if anyone out there is still on their way, you have got a chance to make it into the Horizon heats. Come on!
I wanna break to my lost grip. To my ain't no air in my lungs lit. Right to death, in the blunt till I roll back. You get switching on my girls back. Who's next? Yeah, get around, switch it on that. Nicki Minaj, show, carry out, and Juliet. Y'all bust a little twist there. Let's get it started, hey, free, yeah.
There goes the first place in the heats. Still plenty up for grabs, though. Come on. There goes the second place in the heats. Plenty more. Come on. If you want one of these free places, then you better move. Go, go, go. stampede of people racing towards the festival here in all sorts of rides.
We don't care about
Come on, guys. 5 places left in the heats. Get moving.
right to your last breath, finger in the air. We can't let the button go down. We don't want no risk. Fellas in the back, yours in the left, right to the left, right to your last breath, finger in the air. You couldn't
If
catch.
you want to take part in the festival this year, you better get here fast.
In 400 meters, keep left. Keep left. In 400 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Yep, we're done. Close the gate. Congratulations, you made the heats. That's an access sticker, a map, and a pass to the qualifier events. And this is so I can get in touch if I need to. You'll need to get your car checked out by a race engineer, Dax Stewart, over at the garage. I'm Alice Hart, by the way. Welcome to Horizon.
Sometimes I get a good feeling.
Mr. Tack has problem with my car, I think.
Damn right. You need to swap out these fancy shocks for something a farmer would recognize, or you don't race.
Yes, Mr. Tack.
Yeah, the trouble with you kids these days is you try bending the rules before you learn the game. Hey. 95 VW Corrado. Used to own one myself. Of course, I looked after mine. Turn her over. Timing's off. On the bright side, this fine automobile shouldn't get you killed. Now that you pass. You'll need to come back and see me for performance upgrades to stay competitive. That's if you make it through the heats, of course.
Okay, kid. The heat you're competing in is marked on your map. Set your GPS to it. Okay. Now get over there and do your ride some justice. I forgot to say your car radio was stuck on one channel. I gave it a whack, and you can now tune to all 3 Horizon radio stations. Enjoy!
In 100 meters, turn right. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
You sign up for festival races at trailers like this. When you see one, park outside it to register for the event.
You have arrived at your destination.
This is it, the Horizon Heats. You'll need to finish in the top 3 to qualify for your first wristband. Good luck. want to switch off assists or increase the skill of your opponents, you can do so in the difficulty menu. And hey, you'll earn more money as a result. Try it. Your first event at Horizon, and you've nailed it with a win. Yellow events start tomorrow morning, but I've got a showcase event later that I want you to take part in. Get over to Red Rock. The crowd's waiting.